Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a swap from Joyce from lovethatpaper215. She had posted a video a couple of weeks ago, and she was just playing around in her craft room, and she made some ATCs. I think she made 15. And she had different themes, coffee and shoes and snowmen and different things like that. And she had offered to do a swap. Well, I was the very last one. All the other ones had been claimed for, and she had two extra ones left over. And so she mentioned that in her video. So I said, well, I would love to swap with you with those two. And I agreed to do something in the same theme. And I just want to show the reveal what she sent back to me. She sent me this handmade card, which is absolutely beautiful. It says hello. Show you right there. And what she said in the card, I can pick it up with one hand. Hi, Don. Thank you so much for participating in my swap. I really appreciate your support. ATCs are one of my favorite things to make and collect. I look forward to receiving your ATCs. Joyce, love that paper 215, 128.18. So I sent her my ATCs, and I just want to show you what she sent me. These are such cute little handmade envelopes that she made. Look at that. Is that not too cute? Love these. So super cute. And these are the ATCs. So the first one is the coffee thing. She loves coffee. And it says, I love you a latte. Well, I love you. Yeah, it says, I love you a latte at the bottom. Her ATC is very nice and thick. And I need to make mine thick like that because she doubled them up. Feels like it's on chipboard. You know, you can use different things like cereal boxes, cardboard, you know, different things like that to make it super sturdy. And I love it. And it says coffee 11/2017 4/4 Joyce Loft and Love That Paper 215. So again, that is a look at it. She's got pearls down the side, black pearls. And the stickers, I love you. And look at that stamp. It's so cute. So this is the first person I've ever swapped with to put in my ATC collection, so I'm excited about it. I've done my own playing around, but I've never swapped with anybody, so this is pretty cool. So I can display that in mine. This was the second one. This is, oh, I just fell in love with this when I saw it because I'm a shoe girl. I was just like, oh, yes. Kick up your heels and have fun. I was like, oh, nobody called for that one. Well, guess what? I want that one, and I love it. And you can see this is in gold, and she embossed it. Love that stamp. And look at the bling. Look at the look right here at the end. Not just a traditional round bling, but you got your diamond shape right there. And again, this one is Kick Up Your Heels, and this is 303. So I was just excited to swap with her, and I just want to share that with you. I will put her link below to her channel, and she does a lot of wonderful things like this. Like she periodically makes ATCs, and she'll show them, and she does a lot of planner stuff, and she likes to document her life and her planner, her journals. So check out her channel, and I have the link below, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.